Don't close your eyes, dear, don't you be nervous. You put this whole damn place in a spell. I see your friends here and some of them jealous, 'cause they know this love don't come off the shelf. I saw your mother, she looked so beautiful. Remember when she didn't think I would stay? But all of those late night brokers held dinners led us to where we're standing today. I'm feeling tired, move slow. I'm seeing faces glow. None of them shine as bright as you tonight. I'm hearing voices hush. There's no one else but us. Darling, there's so much love under these lights. If it's okay, let's just have the time. Let's just have the time.